How to navigate from one activity to another. Before navigation, let's get short info about intents. Intents are used to perform some actions like navigate through activities, start services in background, etc. You can say that intents are collection of information like what activity or service will be started using them. So, to make an intent, we initialize a variable or create an instance of class intent. Here we have to pass some parameters. Since we are using intent to navigate through activity, we need to enter context as the first parameter and our destination class or activity as second parameter. After this, our information is ready. Now, we have to tell our app is when to use or work with this intent. So this is done using start activity function. We have to pass intent as the parameter of this method, as you can see on screen. So let's get to the PC. So here I have created a project. First we will edit our layout. I will rename the text view to activity 1 and I will increase its size to 16 sp or 21 sp, and then I will create a button that we use to navigate to another activity. I will set its name to navigate and I will set the ID of the button as button, and then we will constrain the button below the text view and I will increase the size of text to 32 sp. Next we will create a new activity, new blank activity, and I will name it to new activity, and we don't have any function of this, so I will design its layout. I will add a text view and constrain it, and I will change the text to I am new activity, and I will increase the text size to changing the text size to 32 sp, and the height will be wrap content. Now in our main activity, initializing our button, we will add a click listener on our button that will navigate. Okay, so when adding a click listener on our button, inside the click listener we will add a new intent or create a new intent, passing the constructor as the first parameter and our activity, that is new activity, as the second parameter. Now our information is ready, and then we will start this or use this intent using start activity method. So when our button will be clicked, this will navigate to our new activity layout. So let's build our app and see if it works. I will skip the time while it's building. So now it's ready and installed in our device. Now when clicking on the button, we can see it navigates to the new activity, that is am new activity, and when we press back it came back to old activity. If you have any questions, you can ask me on my Instagram profile. Support me by a subscribe and like, and must visit my Instagram profile for daily new valuable content about Android. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.